Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a 3D printed custom music system. So in this video, in my previous video I have already shown you how to make the amplifier part. In this video I will show you how to make the speaker part to make it a complete music system. So first of all I have 3D printed the box part by making a proper design. So with the help of 3D printer you can able to make any type of design as your required. So I am just printing the box part because the amplifier part is already made few days ago. So you can see I have completed the printing of the outer case of the box. So here is the outer case of the box. You have to make a little bit thicker to install the speaker, and audio jack connection hole is also provided. So now I will install the speaker. So the speaker I have used here is basically a woofer. So I have installed the speaker or woofer. So I have installed 4 ohms 3 watt woofer unit. So the top part will be installed with bass radiator. The brass radiator is basically used to enhance the bass. So one speaker I will make with bass radiator, another without bass radiator. So here is the amplifier part. The video is already uploaded. So I have to make another speaker. So friend, I have printed another speaker, and here is the 2 number of speaker. So I have installed the audio female jack. So now I will install the bass radiator in one of the box, and in another box it will be without bass radiator. So I have printed my logo S&D. So the build part of the speaker is now completed. So you can see all the component are in position and it is looking amazing. So friend, the build part is completed. I have put some rubber pad under the speaker so that during the time of playing music it will not move. So let's see how it performs.